Good morning students. In last video we have done the revision of chapter 3. Today we will continue with the chapter 4. What is the chapter 4 name is? Linear equations in two variable. So first we have to understand this thing, that what is the meaning of the linear equation. Then we'll go for the two variable. So linear equation, linear means one, which whatever we are having there, that should be, our variable should be 1 and the power should be also 1, means ax plus b is equals to 0. So this we can say linear equation in one variable, because power is 1 and variable also 1. So this we can say linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in two variable means variable should come 2. Ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Here c is your constant and a and b, they are the coefficient of your variable x and y, and they should not equals to 0. Okay? C can be 0, no problem, but your a and b should not be 0. So we can say linear equation is that type of equation where the two variables we are having and with the power 1, means here also power 1, here also power 1. So this is the ideal condition of the linear equation in two variable. Fine. If one power we are not writing, so we will write like this only. In this chapter, what we have to do, they will give you the condition. Some part has deleted here, means deleted part is there some problem, what words problems are there, that has deleted, not completely. It depends on the ratio which we are having. This is going to be increased, this is going to be decreased, this upon this, like this type of problems has deleted from the CBSE, otherwise it will be. And if you have done the chapter 3 properly, so I don't think so there will be problem to understand the chapter 4. Why so? Because here they will give you the here they will give the equations to you. Then we will find x and y coordinate. There in chapter 3 they have given the coordinates and we locate on the graph paper. Here we will find ourselves the coordinate, then we will locate on the graph paper. And always linear equation, the graph will come in a straight line form. It can be like this, means from the origin also it can be however it will be, but it can't be ever like this to this and like here to here, nothing. Wherever the line will come, any type form line can come, but it will be always in a straight line form. That is the identification, yes, that whatever you have taken, whatever the coordinates you have taken, they are correct. It will show. If your graph is going to move here and there, your line is not coming straight, your graph is not coming in straight line form, so means something you have done wrong. In calculation or somewhere you have taken the wrong coordinate, that's why it is not coming straight. So by this also you can identify. And one more thing, in linear equation we do not have the fixed solution. We have so many, means infinite solution. How? For example, basically what we have to do, they will give us any equation and then we need to find the value of x and y. A minimum 4 values we will find. Here the x and here the y. Correct? X value we have to assume or y value we will get, or y value we can assume and x value we can find. Correct? So here the coordinates we will get it, which we have to locate on the graph paper. Whatever the values will come, to find like this we say solution. Let x is equals to, you can take 0, 1, 2, 3. Suppose I have taken 0, 1, 2, 3 and maybe you have taken 2, 3, 4. So but obviously your 1, 2, 3 will be common, but 3, 4 will become different. So that also will be correct. Don't think like that my solution is wrong. Means I can go with the 10, x is equals to 5, 10, 15. Another can go with the x is equals to 10, 20, 30. Means like that. So we have in linear equation, we have infinite solution. But whichever solution you are going to put on the graph paper, it will come always in a straight line. So we will prefer, because we have to draw the graph paper, we have to take care about the x-axis also, y-axis also. So we will take that type of number which will be comfortable to locate on the graph paper. So most probability we will try to take always like 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4 in that sequence. So it will be easy to locate. Means 0 you have taken 1, 2, 3. It is very easy to locate. Otherwise you can take 10, 20, 30. So you will assume here 10, 20, 30. You will write the scale here. Then here one bigger block is equals to 10 units. Then you will go for it. Okay. Means whatever solution you will take, that will be correct. But we have to think about it also, the how we are going to locate on the graph paper also, that we can't avoid it. Okay. So here this thing has done. Now we will take any equations. By that I will show you then how to locate the, means how we will find our solution and then how we are going to locate on the graph paper. So one example I will take. For example, here equation, any equation can be, I am taking equation 4x plus 3y is equals to 12. 4x plus 3y is equals to 12. See, it is a linear equation only. Linear equation, two variable. Linear equation is x and y, two variable, and power are the 1. So linear equation, two variable. Now we need to find, so what we will do, we will say let x is equals to, I told you can go for the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 solution we will find. Or you can go 10, 20, 30, 40. It up to you, completely up to you. So I am taking here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 I am taking, and so on can be, but I am taking only this much. So first solution, we will write here in the solution form also I have shown you. So first solution, how we will find it? That time we will take x is equals to 0. You can take this thing y also. Then you will get x. Or you can take x, so you will get y. It up to you. Whichever you are comfortable, you can take. So x is equals to 0. I will put in this equation 0 plus 3y is equals to 12. Multiply as 0 has gone. 3y is equals to 12. So y is equals to 12 upon 3. Correct? This I got. Second solution. Like this we will write again x is equals to 1. Now directly I am putting, when you will put here 4 into 1, 4 plus 3y 12. 4 will transfer on the other hand. So 3y is equals to 12 minus 4. So y is equals to 12 minus 4. 8. 8 upon 3. This you can divide in point form also. What will come? It will be 3 2s are 6, 2 and decimal, and 3 3 2s are 6, 2, then point 0 has came, 3 6 are 18, then again means 2.666 will continue, so we will take in 2.6 like this we are taking. Then you will find x is equals to 2, then you will put the value, when I will put it, we will write properly. Then it will be 4 2s are 8 plus 3y is equals to 12. So what will be then? 3y is equals to 12 minus 8 and y is equals to 12 minus 8 upon 3. So 12 minus 8, 4, 4 upon 3. When you will divide it, what will come? 3 1s are 3, point 3 3s are 9. Correct? Similarly, last, x is equals to 3. So what will be there? 4 3s are 12 plus 3y is equals to 12. So 3y is equals to, it will transfer 12 minus 12, 0. So y is equals to 0 upon 3, what will come? 0. Now we have to write in a table form properly, which I told you. In solution form also I have shown you here. X, y. Whatever, however many we found, we will write there. When x was 0, that time y was 4. When my x was 1, that time my y was 2.6. When my x was 2, I got y is equals to 1.3. And when x is equals to 3, then we got y is equals to 0. Once check it also, if there is any calculation mistake. 4, then it will be 0, 4 got. Then 1 means 1 we got, 4 plus 3y is equals to 12. This 4 has transferred on the other hand. Then 12 minus 4, 8. 8 upon 3, 2.6. Correct? 2.6 has came. Then here 12 minus 8 upon 3. 8 was there. 2 when I put 4 2s are 8. Then I transfer there. 12 minus 8. 4 has came upon 3. 4 upon 3, 1.3. Then again there 3 I put 4 into 3, 12. Then we have done like this. Okay, this much has done. Now what we have to do? Now this we are going to look at on the graph paper. This solution, first we need to find the solutions. Then this all I am going to look at on the graph paper. Let's see the graph. Your mean straight figure will come or not. So you will take x and y axis. Y axis, x axis. Okay. Then first what is maximum 3 and this, so 4 we will take. Means here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We do not have any minus, so minus we are not going to be located. Okay, this much only we are going to believe. Now when we are going to look at 0 and 4, x0, y4, x0, this is your y axis, this is your x axis. x0, y4 means here 0, 4. Next, 1, 2.6. 1, 2.6 means here 5 will be one more. So it quietly here. Okay, 1, 2.6. 2, 1.3. 2, 1.3. 2 is here, 1.3 suppose it should be here. Means I have taken approx. When you will take means in proper way, proper distance, so it will be visible properly. Then 3, 0. Here we have 3 and y is 0, so but obviously figure will come on x-axis. So here my 3, 0. See, when I drawn roughly, then also you can see my straight line has came. So this is your linear equation in two variables, means my graph has came in straight form. Correct? So like this only your exercise 4.1, 4.2 you are going to look at, you will find the solution, then you are going to be looking on the graph paper. In last exercise 4.4, if you will observe, the examples has given there and they are talking about the parallel line. What is the parallel line means? Suppose example I will take here. It is your, suppose they have given us 2x plus 1 is equals to x minus 3. So first we need to find the value of x, then we will see. So what it will be? 2x, x we will transfer here, 2x minus x and minus 3 and minus 1. So what came? X is equals to minus 4. What is the ideal condition of that linear equation? It should be ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, correct? So here x means at the place of a1, so I can, this I am going to convert in this form. So x plus y form I do not have and this I transfer on the other, or you will shift here, so plus 4. This type of form will come when you convert in this form. Correct. Now here we can see easily x is equals to minus 4. The question has given in exercise 4.4, then look at on the one variable and two variable. Question say in one variable and two variable. One variable means number line. One variable means number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. One side positive and one side negative. This is the ideal number line form. Correct? Here they are saying x is equals to minus 4. Now also, so if one variable is this axis and two variable is Cartesian plane will come. So this here we have already hint there, means our one value is fixed. When you are going to make, when you are going to find the table, no, for the solution, means like this. I told you that only we have to look at no x and y. Means one value is fixed here. See, minus 4, minus 4, minus 4. This is fixed. This is not going to change. Why so? Because y value is 0. Y value is 0. So what we will do to see, whenever this type of two variable we are drawing, hint has came here. If suppose my value will come here, so it will be hint to me, my figure will come horizontal, my parallel line will come horizontal. But here the hint has came, so my vertical line will come. It is a hint for us. And parallel line means here also distance will be same and here also distance will be same. Because one value has fixed. Again I am saying parallel line will come. Parallel line means their distance will be same. So here minus 4, here minus 4. But coordinate we are locating. So but obviously we have to find the value of y also. 2, 3 value also, y also. So what we will do? We will assume let y is equals to 0. What I will do? I will take one 0 value, one positive value, one negative value. Here we have positive, here we have negative value. So here we look at 1, 2, 3, 4. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Correct. So I will take let y is equals to 0. Then this will come same only. And I will take one positive means we can take 2 and we can take minus 3. So when I have taken y is equals to 0, but obviously 4 will come because there was nothing. Why we are taking? Because we have to look at the coordinate which will come in the form of x and y. But my equation has came x is equals to minus 4 only. So wherever the y value you will take, that we are taking as a formality to look at on the graph paper. So which whatever we can assume. But I want to show, so what I am taking one positive, one negative and one on 0. So one straight line will come. So here when I will take y is equals to 2, then minus 4, when I will take minus 3. Now these points I have to look at on the graph paper. So here it will be 0, minus 4. It has came. Now minus 4 comma 2 means x value minus 4. Minus 4 will be there. And y value will be 2. Means here it will come. It is minus 4 comma 0. This is your y-axis, no? Sorry, x-axis and this y-axis. Y dash and this your x dash. So here we have done. This has came. Now minus 4 comma 2 also be located. Minus 4 comma 2 also be located. Now third minus 4 comma minus 3. So minus 4 here, minus 3 is down, means here. Minus 4 comma minus 3. When you will draw, see this type of straight line will come which is parallel to this Cartesian plane. This only I want to say to you. Question can come in two form only, this type of form or your horizontal form. So which question we have done? Exercise 4.4. So both type of thing are there. One figure has came your horizontal and one figure has your came vertical. So like this we need to find. I hope you understood. Here we have done the chapter 4 revision. In next class we will go for the revision of the chapter 7. So read it carefully.